Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to see daily average time spent on your YouTube app. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to see the details of daily average time what you have sent on your YouTube app while seeing any videos or reels, then I will show you how to see the details. First of all, you have to open your YouTube app, tap on the profile icon. After that, you will see settings, tap on the settings. Under account, you will find time management. You can see the fifth option, time management. Tap on that. Here you will find all your YouTube spent details. As you can see in top, 1 hour 32 minute daily average I had spent on the YouTube. Below you can see last 7 days I had spent 10 hour 43 minute. According to the graph, you can analyze on which particular day you have spent more time on the YouTube. Below you can see reminders. If you want to set the reminder at a bedtime, you can set the time as per your choice. After that, you will see the last option, daily limit. You can set the daily limit from here. This is for the shorts on the YouTube. You can set daily last maximum for 2 hours. Means after 2 hours it will show the reminder for you to just close this YouTube app. That's it guys. So in this way you can see daily average time spent on the YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.